So if you have under 1,000 subscribers, you are currently in the most difficult phase of YouTube. Guys, sometimes you feel invisible. You feel like your hard work is being ignored and you are probably one bad video away from quitting. But before you hit that delete button, please and please, I want you to try one thing out. Just one thing, try it out. Trust me, this isn't a hack or a trick. No, it is a fundamental shift in how you use the algorithm to force people to find you, right? A clap for me. So, if you can commit to this for just 30 days, I promise you, your subscriber count will never be stagnant ever or ever again. Okay, so this is one problem that people have. Now, the reason why you are stuck with under 100 subscriber is that you are trying to build a brand before you've built a bridge, which is very, very disastrous. Now, you are making videos about what you like, but at a 0 subscribers, nobody knows you. So nobody is looking for you. Likewise, the algorithm has no seed. You understand? They have no seed audience to show your videos to. So you are currently a needle in a digital haystack of billions of videos. So we need to stop being a needle and start being a magnet. Balalala. So the topic dominant shift is what I want us to talk about if you are still stuck with under 100 subscribers. So here is the strategy. Go ahead to pick one micro problem that people are facing. Solve it in 5 different ways. Do you understand? Now, instead of making a cooking video or a workout video and a vlog, you are going to find one specific question people in your niche are asking right now. So if you're a tech channel, like if you're under tech niche channel, don't review. You understand? Don't review the new iPhone. Now, you know why you don't need to review the new iPhone if you're under tech? Because everyone is doing that. So instead of you to, reviewing phone and all of that, find a specific bug or a specific something like how to that only 5 people have access to. When you make 5 videos on the exact same micro topic, trust me, the algorithm finally understands who you are for. And this is called topic authority. Now, once you own a tiny corner of YouTube, the algorithm will naturally start pushing you to a wider audience. Did you get that? Then another thing I want you to understand is the double down rule. Go ahead to check your analytics. Look at the one video that has 10 more views than the other previous ones you have done. That particular video is your signal. Stop trying to be diverse. Under 100 subscribers, diversity is your enemy. And boring consistency kills channel. Obsessive focus grows them more. So if a video about Nigerian jollof got 50 views and your vlog got 5, you are now a jollof channel for the next 4 weeks. Period. That is just it. So before you give up, I want you to do this one thing. Go ahead. Set up your camera. Set up those gadgets you have to make your video stand out. Shoot 5 videos. 5 authentic, good videos. You understand? Post those 5 videos this month. Like schedule it maybe one in a week, 2, 3. You understand? Each week one video, each week one video. Post it this month or on the exact, choose a specific time. Choosing time, a particular time you post really, really matters a lot. And there is this channel that I opened lately. I normally post on that channel around 11 p.m. Do you know the reason why I'm posting around 11 p.m.? Because 11 p.m. Nigerian time is 5 p.m. UK, if I'm not wrong. Do you understand? So every Sunday I post. The algorithm is already anticipating that my video should be dropping around that 11 p.m. at night. I'm not targeting Nigerian audience. That is why I'm posting at that exact time. So when you're done shooting those videos, choose particular days. Very, very important. Choose a particular time that you're going to be posting in any of those days. So maintain your posting days, maintain your posting time, which is very, very important. So you need to post those 5 videos this month on the exact same specific sub topic. You understand? Which will help to improve the thumbnail. Like, go ahead and work on your thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail stands out so that it can help to improve each of the time you are posting. Okay, and also it's going to make people to click on your video. Now, if you don't see a shift in your new viewers metric, then we can talk about quitting. Do you understand? But I know you won't quit because this works. So subscribe to this video if you are ready to take the 30 days challenge. We need to get that 1,000 subscribers together. Okay, this is a set time that we all need to adhere to and make sure that the timing is very, very right. And before the end of this 30 days challenge, I want us to get that 1,000 subscribers and also our 4,000 watch hours, which is very, very important. Setting goal really, really matters when you are a content creator. So if you've watched to this length, go ahead to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to drop in the comment section if you have tried any of these strategies or tricks. Did they work or not? If they work, please share it in the comment section, because I believe that others are there who want to really, really learn. Okay, then go ahead to tell us your posting days and posting time, so that maybe anybody might be interested in choosing the time you are posting. All right, so share this video and turn on your notification bell so that other persons can actually get to see this video. See you guys in my next video.